everyone, welcome to Vibrant Learning. How are you? I hope you all are doing good. So without wasting time, let's start our today's video. Hello, our today's topic is soft G and hard G sound. Do you know that letter G has a two sound, G and J? Word garden has a G sound and word giant has a J sound. Word dragon has a G sound and jump has a J sound. Don't worry, we have a rules for that. When letter G is followed by letter E, I and Y, letter G gives us a soft sound which is J. J. Let's have some example. Jam, giraffe, orange and gym. You can say in this all words are followed by either E, I or Y. Now hard G rule. When letter G is followed by letter A, O and U, letter G gives us a hard sound which is G. Let's have some example. Gate, frog, glass and gold. In this all word, G is either followed by A, O or U. Now let's find soft G and hard G from the given words. Cage. Here G is followed by E, so G has a soft sound which is J. And in a gourd, G is followed by O, so here G has a hard sound which is G. Now angel. In angel, G is followed by E, so G has a soft sound which is J. And in a game, G is followed by A, so G has a hard sound which is G. Now in a gel, G is followed by E, so G has a soft sound which is J. And in garlic, G is followed by A, so G has a hard sound which is G. Now remember, words ending with GE or DGE always has a J sound. For example, huge, fridge, judge, bridge, page and stage. Now, some words have both sounds G and J. For example, garbage. Here first G is followed by A, so that G has a hard sound which is G, and last G is followed by E, so it has a soft sound which is J. Same rule applies in garage and geography. Now pause your video and find the soft G and hard G from the given words and write your answer in a comment box. Now check your answers and do let me know in a comment section that how many you got correct.